Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa. I'll be filming new videos every week, specifically on makeup and skincare and all things beauty. If you enjoy the content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. Today I'm just filming a tutorial on this eye look here, which is my Valentine's Day eye tutorial. So it's a lot of pinks and purples with glitter. This video is specifically going to be on the eye and finishing touches. If you want to see how I applied my foundation and how I used a cream contour, I'll link that down below. And thank you again so much for all your kind comments and likes on my previous videos, and thanks for watching. So let's get started. So today in this look we're going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette and also these new Stila eyeshadows, specifically this burgundy one in the color Next to Nate. So if you want to see how I do this, just keep watching. Thank you. So the first thing I'm going to do is just prime my eyelids with this Urban Decay primer potion. I've been using this for years. I've mentioned it before. It's just super good to keep your eyeshadow on all day. So love that. And then just in case there's some fallout, I'm not going to do my concealer till the very end. Because I do find with this Modern Renaissance palette, there's a little bit of fallout, but I just love the palette so much. So this is the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm sure you've all seen it before. This is the colors. It's beautiful. You could use it every day. With this color Tempera right here to begin, just all over my lid. And under my brow bone. And like I said, there is some fallout with this eyeshadow palette, but I find any palette that is really pigmented, there's always been fallout for me. So I don't know if that's just how it is with pigmented shadows, but I don't mind because I like the palette so much. And then we're gonna go in with Vermeer, which is this shimmery one, just under the brow bone again, just to accentuate it. And then I'm gonna go in with the Antique Bronze in the crease. And just blend it out really well. Like that. And then I'm gonna go with this Venetian red just on the outer part of my eye. And I'm gonna do like reds and purples and burgundy theme, just because it's for Valentine's Day. I'm just gonna blend it in really nicely. So I've just cleaned that up with concealer and a makeup remover, just the fallout. So the next step that we'll do is this Stila eyeshadow, and it's in the color Next to Nate. It's a nice burgundy shade. And these are the liquid eyeshadows, so we'll just put it on the edge. And I just blend it in with my finger just while it's still wet. same on the outer part of this eye. And I'm only applying a little bit. A little goes a long way with this eyeshadow shimmer. And you always want to just blend it out while it's still wet, because otherwise it sets into place. So there we go. And Venetian red right here under my eyes as well. Just to line the outer part of my eye. Just lining my under eye with this color and this brush from Sephora. So that is how it looks. And then I'm just gonna go in. I always go in with the lighter color again under my eye. Just right under my brow bone. And right in my tear duct. And I'm just using the color Vermeer, which is like a shimmery pink. So that's how it looks. And then we'll go in with the rest of our steps. So now I'm gonna do, I don't feel like wearing false eyelashes today, but you totally could if you wanted to. I'm just gonna do it with my natural lashes. My liquid eyeliner first. This is the one from L'Oreal Infallible, the super slim liquid eyeliner. I love this eyeliner.